हेलो दोस्तों, मैं हुबैद और आप देख रहे हैं भिवंडी टाइम्स न्यूज़। इस वक्त हम मौजूद हैं केमीएस स्कूल में। आज 28 फरवरी केमीएस स्कूल में नेशनल साइंस डे मनाया जा रहा है। आप मेरे पीछे इस तरफ देख सकते हैं कि इस केमीएस इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल के बच्चों ने अपने हाथों से साइंस की कुछ चीज़ें बनाई है, जिसका एग्जीबिशन आज यहाँ पर किया जा रहा है। बहुत सारे बच्चों ने मिलकर तरह तरह की चीज़ें बनाई हैं, चाहे वो बॉडी का स्ट्रक्चर हो या फिर कोई इलेक्ट्रॉनिक चीज़ हो या फिर गेमिंग जोन हो या फिर कुछ और। बहुत सारी चीज़ों पर इन लोगों ने मेहनत की है और चीज़ों को यहाँ पर दिखाया जा रहा है। बच्चे भी देख रहे हैं, यहाँ के प्रिंसिपल साहब जो वलीद सर हैं वो भी साथ में शामिल है, सुपरवाइज़र भी शामिल है। आइए एक एक करके हम आपको दिखाते हैं कि बच्चों ने क्या बनाया है और कैसे बनाया है। आपका नाम?
खान मास गुलशाद।
कौन सी क्लास में आप?
9th जी।
क्या बनाया आपने?
ये एरो लीफ है। इसकी जो लीव्स है उसको एरो की जो टॉप होता है ना, उससे चेंज करके रिप्रेजेंट किया गया है।
क्या कहेंगे सर इसके बारे में, मॉडल के बारे में?
ये मॉडल देखो बच्चों ने बनाया एंड इट इज़ कम्प्लीटली प्रिपेयर्ड बाय द स्टूडेंट्स ओनली एंड इट ऑल्सो वर्क्स ऑन दिस साइंटिफिक कंसेप्ट्स ओनली। व्हेन द मेटल्स दे टच विथ ईच अदर द बजर इट बीट्स। So it is as a science model also, and we have kept all these two things as a fun zone. Yeah, we have to for the games.
एयर कूलर कैसे चलता है ये?
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से चलता है।
चला के दिखाएंगे?
यस।
देखिए, इस बच्चे ने एयर कूलर बनाया है। कैसे बनाया आपने इसको?
मेहनत से बनाया है।
मतलब क्या क्या चीज़ें लगी इसमें बनाने में?
मोटर, बैटरी, स्विच, फैन, motor.
I would just like to add that this exhibition helps students to showcase their talent in an interesting way. They have explored a lot with the help of this exhibition, and they have come up with new ideas apart from struggling or experiencing difficulties and learning. By performing this exhibition or by making the models, they have explored in a funny or in an interesting way.
Is there any project out of the book or out of
No, the project I think, if I'm not wrong, 99% of the project was based on textual topic, which has actually helped students not only to explore, but it also helps students to, academic wise also it was helpful for students.
5-star मशीन।
अच्छा, कैसे?
वर्किंग मॉडल है। यहाँ में कॉइन डाल के,
यहाँ से दिखाइए। अच्छा, यहाँ पर कॉइन डालते हैं। अच्छा, उसके बाद
यहाँ से वर्क करती है।
अच्छा, यहाँ से कॉइन डालेंगे तो ये मशीन यहाँ से वर्क करेगी और चॉकलेट बाहर आएगी। क्या बात, थैंक यू।
Yes, as it was National Science Day and every year we celebrate it with the exhibition. We give chance to the students to come down with their projects and just to exhibit their talent and give them a platform where they could show all their इनबॉर्न क्वालिटीज़।
केमीएस स्कूल में भी जो लास्ट एग्जीबिशन हुआ था साइंस का 11 फरवरी को, तो मेरे पीछे आप ये जो मॉडल देख रहे हैं, इसको प्राइज़ दिया गया था। चलिए जानते हैं उनसे क्या है और कैसे बनाया उन्होंने। मैम, आपका नाम?
अंसारी तस्बिया बदरुद्दीन।
कौन सी क्लास में आप?
8th D।
कैसे बनाया आपने और ये क्या है?
ये इकोसिस्टम है। इकोसिस्टम में मतलब थोड़ी बहुत ज़्यादा वो हुआ है, और ये ग्रास है और वो सॉइल है रियल। और इकोसिस्टम में डिफॉरेस्टेशन और एफॉरेस्टेशन आता है। डिफॉरेस्टेशन में एनिमल्स आ जाते हैं, नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स आ जाती है, और एफॉरेस्टेशन में जैसे ग्रास आ जाती है, ग्रीनरी, फॉरेस्ट एक्सेट्रा। और ये सब, ये जो फर्स्ट वाला डिफॉरेस्टेशन है, ये अपने को कहता है कि ये जो पल्यूटिंग एयर है, ये अपने क्लाउड्स को बहुत ज़्यादा पल्यूट कर देती है, और अपने को फॉरेस्ट ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सेव करना चाहिए। और ये कहता है एक सेव एनर्जी, जिससे ये विंड मिल है, सोलार एनर्जी, एंड दिस इज सोलार पावर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी।
ये सोलार पावर से चल रहा है,
और सेव एनर्जी के बेस्ड के ऊपर है कि अपने को एनर्जी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बचानी चाहिए। यस सर।
Maximum students participated here, and along with this we also had art and craft exhibition as well as social studies exhibition, where the students have also displayed the models and charts. So these three subjects we have covered, and coming years we'll try to adjust.
Extra marks for these in the academic?
Yeah, the projects have been selected first, second, third. That will be selected and they will be given prize for that. Yes.
No extra money. No extra
No. This is just an activity for them for the involvement of the students during the academic year. Participation is important and just
scientific chamber.
yes.
They are the future scientists.
This is an electromagnet. This is an electromagnet, and this is an transformation of energy. Electromagnet is work with the help of electricity, and I will explain the one natural chain of transformation of energy. In the course of transformation of energy, due to the water cycle, due to the heat of the sun, water vapor forms clouds. Water vapor forms clouds, and that gives rain. Rainwater flows into rivers and stored in reservoirs on dams.
मेरा नाम ज़ीशान मोमिन है. मैं साइंस पढ़ाता हूँ बच्चों को. एंड as this was the National Science Day that we celebrate in the honor of Dr. C.V. Raman. So we have kept one of the science exhibition, and in this exhibition we have made the students to prepare many of the working models, still models, and it was all based on the textbook only. And from their textbook only, in the textbook at the last of the exercise there are many projects given, and from those projects they have prepared all of these models by themselves only.
These all projects are the part of their academics.
Yeah, they are the part of their academics only, and these projects and models, they will be very useful to them for understanding the concepts more better. So we have prepared those students. We have not done anything. These were all done by the students itself. They have only we have guided them that these kind of concepts you can take these topics to prepare.
In stuffs and all, they have
Stuffs and all, everything has done by the students only. It was for the success of this exhibition, I will give all the credits to the students only. We have just guided the students and they have done excellent work for this exhibition. And also,
क्या बनाया आप लोगों ने?
This is a model of DNA. DNA, full form of DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is an organic chemical that contains genetic information and instructions for protein synthesis. It founds most cells in every organism. DNA is a key part of reproduction, in which genetic heredity occurs through passing of DNA from parents to offspring. Thank you.
Thank you बेटा.
and also I want to thank sir for our principal Mr. Walid Bubere sir, so to give us the opportunity to arrange such kind of exhibition, because these exhibitions what is helping us now, it is useful to us to remove the raw talent from the students.
we have seen the edufair.
Yeah, recently.
And what's the difference between that? Because in that also children
Haan.
have made science exhibition.
Yes, on 11th February we have conducted one edu-fair that was not exhibition, that was the display of the educational activities, and it was involving all of the subjects in it. Many of the subjects were involved, and one subject were allotted for the science, fun with science, as a activity. Name of the activity was fun with science. Sorry.
Okay.
So at that time also, what the objective of our principal was to remove the raw talent from the students, to remove the hidden talent from them, that what they are preparing and what they have. So inshallah we will get in future we'll get such kind of young scientists. We are trying to remove these kind of talents from the students.
It is literally, as Ishan sir said, that's very helpful for us to understand the capabilities of the students. Okay, there are many students who are much more capable, but they get hidden under the academic structure. So we thank our principal sir for giving us as well as the students this opportunity to showcase their talent in this way.
Most of the students perceive science as the most difficult subject.
So we just want to remove the fear from them. It is all about fun, okay, learning by doing. So whatever they are learning, they are doing themselves. So it is just about the fun, and we also want to develop the skill in them and develop the interest just to remove the fear, because they have better opportunities in the subject.
Actually, nowadays Marathi is the most difficult subject. Yes.
It is considering language part, not just literature part.
So we all know about the science and we love science, so we'll just talk about science right now.
Okay. I think that activity-based learning is more important as
Yes, of course, and I personally prefer and I approach a project-based learning, because project-based learning is based on learning by doing. When they will do with their own hands, they will learn it better and they will understand it better.
Sir, first of all, on behalf of all our science teachers, we are very thankful to our principal, sir, that he has given us this opportunity to come across with this huge exhibition that was arranged for the students, where students have shown their hidden talent and they have come forward with their creativities.
Yeah, this is not a first time where the exhibition is held. I am from 12th year, and from 12th year only every year, that means every year we are conducting this exhibition. But this is a grand level which we are conducting today. And here I find that all the students who are not getting the opportunity to go anywhere, but they are getting the opportunity to take the exhibition and they are conducting the experiment and all. And here what I find कि खुद ब खुद बच्चे बाहर आ रहे हैं, जो उनमें जो उनके थे, yes, their own, so they come forward.
I would like to say that science and technology in today's life, it plays a major role in our life, in human life. It is a part of life, and it is a blessing for us that we are a science teachers, right? And the students also, they are getting a big opportunity to show their hidden talents. We saw many students that these talents are hidden in them, so they got a very good opportunity to come up with those talents and showcase their talents in front of all the school and in front of all the teachers. Just because of our principal, he gave the opportunity to show our talents, to show. It is a blessing that our principal, he is very supportive. He supported a lot in this activity, in this National Science Day. Every year we are celebrating, but this year, because of media, it became a very grand National Science Day. Thank you.
First of all, good afternoon and Assalamu alaikum. This program, that is 28th Feb, Science Day, right? This program is being celebrated every year by the school. Every year we celebrate Science Day in the school. This year also we are celebrating it. In this program, students, they themselves prepare the project, whatever is there. The students are preparing it, and teachers, they are just as a helping guide to the students. They help the students, they guide them. Whatever work, whatever projects that are displayed in the science exhibition, it is the entire work has been done by the students themselves. I am happy that the students have participated in a large scale. They have participated on big numbers in this science exhibition. Even parents were very keen that their wards participate in such type of events and such type of academic activities. I am very thankful to the management, to the students, to the staff and the parents also, that they have helped me in making this program a great success.
So this exhibition is been for all the classes, or
Yeah,
they have
this-
selected for the particular
No,
classes?
this is right from 5th
Fifth
to
standard to-
9th standard. All the students have participated in this exhibition.
All the projects were from the
Students,
academic syllabus, or
no, this was all from the academic syllabus only.
Okay.
And they were given free hand, like the students, that you prepare whatever you can, you use your own talent in preparing the projects.
Okay.
Only whatever they required was guiding from the teachers, and the guidance that was given by the teachers to them.
Thank you.